Think, people, think a little bit. Don't want to do the same because you are here. Okay, you want to learn something. Okay, that's why my students, we make money. And in low competition, you want to be in high rank in low competition. You don't want to be in a high competition, low rank, because when you are low rank, nobody can see you. Nobody can see you. You see, nobody can see you. I can't see you where you are, okay? This one, we're gonna change your life. I promise, because this changed my life, and I will tell you a story. If you want to sell, what can you sell? If you want to sell something like this, oh, this is too expensive. It's 97 cents. I have seen this on a dollar store. It was for 92 cents. I will not gonna buy from you because in dollar store it is 80. Those are mine. This is too expensive. 92 cents. No, I will not gonna buy 92 cents. I know in the dollar store it's cheap. It's cheap. I can buy from dollar store. You must give me 90 cents, okay? You give me 90 cents, I buy from you. If not, best offer, 90 cents, okay? There is such a people. Yeah, there is such a people. Now, my question to you is, it's not your problem. Let them be there. Let them. Don't sell them this for 97 cents, okay? Don't deal with such a people unless you want to deal with the problems. We have enough problems on eBay already. We don't need extra problems, okay? Sell with the people. Position yourself properly. Sell, list, make data about your product properly. If you want to sell like this for higher price than everybody else, because everybody else is competing, you don't compete. You rank high and sell. Okay, a little bit work. No high knowledge. No, this is number 2 only. We still have number 3. Come on.